I'm back. Okay. Day number 2 of the storm. Saturday. I got another pool. Very heavy outside right now. It's also very windy out here. Very. See, the water is getting picked up by wind. Tornado. We're not gonna call it. We're not like to do that because that's not real. It's very heavy rains. That's all it is. Guess what? I mean, very heavy right now. The wind is picking up like crazy. Water's filling up the top of the pool. It's very heavy outside. Very. Look at that. The water's getting picked up in the rain like a hurricane, a tornado, hurricane, whatever. There's very high winds out here. The wind has picked up a lot, and you can see the water over there filling up. It's drinkable too. Right now we have a huge storm up earlier today, about a little bit ago. It was perfect, just thunder, lightning, light rain, heavy winds. Now it's heavy wind, heavy rain, thunder, lightning, thunderstorm. It's very heavy, very bad right now. It's very heavy rain right here. Look at the rain though, it's almost sideways, it's coming towards us. I had to relocate the pool. This is scary. What I want to do is get the pool, okay, and then I want to pick it up and bring it outside. I don't think I'll be able to do that though. I got it! Safe. Look at this. I'm gonna relocate it right. That's a gutter. Get out of here, Dad. Come on. I can't hear you. Good idea. We got hail now. Okay, but then we got some hail. The wind's picking up hell bad. We got some hail now. It's not so bad. There's the hail now. It's heavy out here. Oh God. Go down. actually worse. It's much worse than yesterday. Figured out it might be pretty bad. We have hail. This is actually worse than yesterday's storm. Heavy winds this time, which is a bad worst case scenario for us. It's Vancouver, Washington. We took the guest space though. Look at this rain, the wind. This is very heavy. Jack, get under here. Get back. Look at that. Look at this. Heavy wind, heavy rain. Look at the gutters, almost coming towards us. Look at this rain. It's cold. Drinkable too. Awesome. I'm drinking it. Fresh. It's so cool, dude. What are you doing, Dad? Moving your camera? Look at the gravel though, it's flooding with water. Oh my God. The storm is over us. We have heavy rain. Get inside the meeting. I am extremely soaked. Down to my nuts. Oh my God. Picking the wind, it's picking up towards us. We're outside the house. Get the wind is really picking up right now. The wind is really picking up. The wind is really picking up right now. I have wind detector way up on the screen, so. Right now we're pumping 20 miles an hour wind. This is heavy wind, rain, thunderstorms. Watch the video, see the skin inside of me. This is live on YouTube right now, on YouTube.tv. Go to it now, please. Contact any friend that you know. Look at it, it's coming to mist, it's coming towards me. All the roads are flooding. This is lasting longer than last time. Please get inside. Oh my God. Looks like it's coming, but no, look at that, look at that over there. The mist is like mist. Coming off, it's like they're an hurricane or whatever. Look at it, it's picking up the rain and pushing it sideways. This is awesome. I don't really like this being out this open, on the open right now. Look at this. The rain's literally going sideways almost. Look at it, almost sideways over there. We'll take a big front side.